Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the bin on a Dyson stick vacuum. If your bin is damaged or cracked, then you'll lose suction power and it will no longer collect the dust correctly, so it will need to be replaced. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. Next, I need to remove the wand by pressing down the button here. To remove the bin, push down on the red catch, which releases the flap at the bottom, and then press it down again to release the bin itself. To fit the bin correctly, make sure this catch at the front fits under the front lip of the bin, and it should click into place. And finally, replace the wand. So there we have it, how to replace the bin on a Dyson stick vacuum. Give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you, and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.